You may have heard of QuickSet's SmartCode 260. Well, this here is its sibling, the SmartCode 270. It's a brand new electronic lock too, and it comes in a traditional and contemporary design. Let's get our hands on it so you can have a look at its design and what to expect when you bring her home. The first thing you gotta know is all the installation hardware is organized into sections, and it's in the exact sequence that you need to make it easy to install. You'll see that the exterior assembly mounting plate, the interior assembly, the strike and latch, they're all in conveniently grouped sections inside of this box. The only thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. The 270 is also very sleek. You've got it in matte black. Here we've got it in satin nickel finish. It features a striking 10-button transitional display designed to match the latest contemporary or traditional trends for any home. So take a look at this. Combining tactile feedback with easy code access, the responsive touchpad display has a large and bright LED to easily communicate the lock status. So with the SmartCode 270, you can store up to 50 unique user codes and 10 one-time codes, which is perfect for service professionals, family, and guests. Also, for enhanced protection, the SmartCode 270 has this featured smart key security. Say you want a different set of keys for some reason. You can actually reset and get a new set of keys that correspond with this lock, and these will no longer work. So that's just for your peace of mind. Thank you very much, QuickSet. For more information on the SmartCode 270 and to see our simple installation guide, please visit quickset.com. And that's what's in the box. Pretty cool lock, if I do say so myself.